everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here. We're going to make some holiday tags in no time, but most importantly, I have a wonderful announcement. The Card Maker Success Summit is back. Now, I know most of you already know about this, and you had a great time at the last two summits that were held. Here is our third. So I'm going to give a lot of information on this, how you can get your free ticket. Yes, I said free. And we're going to talk through our tags and how simple they are. So to start off, I am using one sheet of Canson XL watercolor paper, and I'm also pulled out my Hero Arts Indigo and Teal liquid watercolor. And if you noticed, I sprayed the front and the back of this page with water. If you notice, I'm not taping this down. I'm going from edge to edge, and it's not curling up. When you take a piece of watercolor and just spritz it on the back, it's going to stick to your surface. Now, I only recommend this if you are doing something of what I'm doing here. If you're doing a masterpiece, no, don't do it. I mean, you can, but don't do it. Okay, so that's what we're doing, and I am just adding water with a large brush and my watercolors and just having a grand old time. Now, like I said before, some of you may already know what a great experience this summit is. And for those of you that have no idea what I'm talking about, well, just stay tuned and you're going to get all the details right here. Remember, go down into the description and you'll see the links that I will be referring to, and there's more information down there. So as you can see, I'm still building, going back to our piece. And again, this literally took me 40 minutes to make close to 15 tags. How easy can that be? So what's the Card Maker Success Summit? Basically, it's where 30 plus of your favorite creators that we have grown to all love and enjoy and be inspired by come together to help you get your holiday card designs and schedule set. Even better, when it comes to all of this, with this community, it's all free. What is awesome? It's awesome. Okay, now real quick, back to the tag. Now, if you notice, I put droplets on that. That was not water. That was alcohol. Yes, rubbing alcohol. 91% rubbing alcohol. As long as your piece is a little bit damp still and has some, and more than damp, have that layer, a sheen layer of dampness, you add alcohol droplets, and that's what it does with watercolors. It's awesome. Okay, back to this. So it's wonderful. You get to connect and talk with your favorite creators, which I think is wonderful. That's why I'm really excited to share the Card Maker Success Summit with you all today. It has launched. It is opened. So get yourselves in there. Don't know if you'll all be excited, but I'm pretty excited. I'm one of the speakers. Again, I truly love this summit. I love connecting with people, inspiring them, and I get inspired by others as well, which is wonderful. Just because we're creators does not mean that we too do not be inspired. My topic is die cutting with a twist and a shape. So we're going to take our die cuts to the next level, because you know me. We got to do that. We got to do something different. You can see back on my tags, I'm taking a stamp set by Simon Says, and I'm using snowflakes. So you know that blizzard's going to come in. But I'm using snowflakes and I'm stamping them in white pigment ink. Okay, here's a little tidbit as well. When you're stamping with white pigment ink, you want to make sure that your overhead fan in your room is off, because it really does make the pigment dry faster. And you will see that when I add the white pigment powder. But that's okay, because I kind of love the effect. So I'm just filling up this panel with all of my stamps, and I'm going to come in with my Brutus Monroe Alabaster White Embossing Powder. So here are some more quick details, but know that there is so much more. I mean, I could talk for hours anyway, but I could literally talk for hours about this summit. The summit's going to run from July 28th to the 31st of July. So the 28th is a Thursday till Sunday, the 31st. Each day is going to be filled with multiple presentations throughout the day by your favorite creators. And they're going to show you different ways, maybe production line, different techniques, and so forth, when you're coming to your fast approaching card making holiday time frame. These presentations are totally free to you for the first 24 hours as long as you get yourself registered for the summit. There's also going to be a Facebook group where you're going to find your fellow creators, not just us who are presenting, but others that you will be able to meet across the world and talk about what we all enjoy, and that's creating. Now, remember, this here, it's free. There is no obligation. There's nothing. You can have access to these presentations for 24 hours from the time that they air and the Facebook group. But remember, there is an option that you can have to grab a VIP all access pass at any time during this. From now, from the time that I'm showing this, even during the summit itself. This pass will give you an all-inclusive access to the summit, which means you'll have ongoing access to those 30+ presentations, a 300-page workbook, a virtual card making crop that'll air over Zoom, plus the awesome premium bonus content from the creators that are part of this summit. And this includes SVG files, courses, free memberships, exclusive discounts, and so much more. It's such a value. Okay, here comes the blizzard. Yep, gotta have the blizzard. Got to accent those awesome alcohol drops onto that panel. I'm putting in my Blick Pearl watercolor. I love this watercolor. And I'm just going to splatter that as well. We gotta have a blizzard. We got snowflakes. And I love the look. Even though they didn't emboss perfectly, it looks like they're going behind those areas in the watercolor and they're peeking out from the night sky. So I think it turned out really cool. Now you're just gonna watch me cut down this panel, cut them down into tag size that I'm looking for, punch the holes, and add our ribbon. And we are set. Again, less than an hour, close to 15. But more importantly, let's get back to our details of the card making summit. Right now, when you sign up, the VIP All Access Pass is currently being offered at an awesome, ridiculous price. However, it will disappear. That price will disappear once the summit is over. So you want to start thinking about that now if you're interested. Okay, so you can get your best deal if you do sign up right now. Now, as always, if you want to get yourself, I encourage you, please get yourself signed up for the summit itself. That is free. Absolutely. Enjoy. Have access to those courses. Okay, but again, remember, you only have access to those courses for 24 hours once they air. So that means if you're working on Thursday and Friday, you know what you're going to be doing when you're getting home. So get your coffee, get your favorite drink, sit back and enjoy all of those wonderful presentations. The link to register will be down below. And then I will have the other link if you are interested in that VIP all access pass. Okay, so again, you can choose, but remember, if you choose to just go into the free now, not a problem. You can choose to get into that VIP and get all of the wonderful goodies and all of the special events that are also going on during this summit as well at any time up until the summit close. Again, look out for those links. I'll have them clearly identified. So I hope to see you there. Come join the fun and all of this beautiful inspiration. I can't wait to see you there. Get to chit chat, talk about what we love most, and to hear what your favorite takeaways are throughout this wonderful event that Brandy has put together for us. She does a wonderful job. So to her, I say thank you for allowing me to be part of it. I am truly honored to be part of your event. So thank you. Those are the details. That's the awesomeness. So again, I do hope you sign up. I hope to see you there. And if you do get in there, make sure when you get in that Facebook group, tag me so I know that you are there and we can start chit-chatting and having a grand old time. Okay, back to our tags. So you can see I have them cut down. I have them different sizes. Why not? Why do they have to be the same size? We can make them any size that we want. I have taken a couple organza ribbons, a white and a light blue, and I added a piece of twine. I always seem to add twine to my bows, and I'm going to show you the two different ways that these can be tied. Of course, the first one that I did is where you take your strands, fold them in half, put the folded end through the hole, and then loop the straggle ends through the loop. Yes, that are all technical terms and technical movements in card making. The other one is where you just take the strand and you poke them through the hole once they are cut. And then you simply just tie a knot. So I'm just going to continue putting these back together because that will bring us close to the end of our video. So again, I really honestly do hope to see you at the Card Makers Success Summit for July of 2022. We've got to get ready for our holiday card making, and this is the perfect opportunity to help you put a plan together, to actually think it out and to map it out, and at the same time give you some wonderful ideas for your cards that you're going to make for this season. So again, hopefully this video gave you a jump start, because tags are part of the holiday season as well. All the links so that you can get yourself registered to the summit will be down below. And if you are interested in that VIP access, click that link down below too to get your special price now. I hope to see you all there, or to speak so much with you all there. But if you have any questions, make sure you leave those down below, and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as I can. Continue to enjoy your art. Continue creating your art. Get ready to be inspired even more. But most of all, remember what's most important. Always be creative. And I'll see you at the summit. Till then.